In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about underground plumbing for your house, so you don't end up with a soggy yard or a busted pipe nightmare. Alright, so underground plumbing might sound kinda scary, but it's really just about making sure your pipes under the ground work properly and stay protected. First off, always check the local codes before you start anything, because rules about pipe depth and materials can totally change depending on where you live. Use the right kind of pipes, like those made from high-density polyethylene or copper, since they handle soil pressure and moisture way better than cheap plastic. When you're digging trenches, make sure they're deep enough to avoid freezing in winter, but not so deep that you hit other utilities like electric or gas lines. Always slope your pipes just right, usually about a 1/4 inch drop per foot, so water flows smoothly without getting stuck. Wrapping pipes in protective sleeves can save you from corrosion or damage from rocks and soil shifting. Before covering everything back up, do a pressure test to catch leaks early. Trust me, fixing leaks once everything's buried is a huge pain. And if you're not totally confident, don't hesitate to call in a pro, because underground plumbing is one of those jobs where cutting corners can cost you big time later. One of the biggest mistakes I see with underground plumbing is not checking local building codes, which can lead to fines or having to redo the whole thing. Another common issue is poor trenching, either too shallow so pipes freeze or too deep and expensive to fix if something goes wrong. Lastly, people often skip the pressure test, thinking it's an extra step, but this means leaks get missed and cause big problems down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch if you're looking for reliable help, since they connect homeowners directly with trusted local contractors who know their stuff about underground plumbing. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid platform to find new clients without all the hassle.